Did you know that some mechanics mark up basic repairs by 200 to 300%, charging you triple the actual cost just because they can? That means a job that should cost $100 could easily turn into a $300 bill, all because they assume you won't question it. And that's just one of the many tricks shady mechanics use to drain your wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to spot a scam mechanic before they rip you off. From overcomplicated explanations to mystery fees on your bill, I'll break down the red flags you need to watch out for so you can keep your car running smoothly without getting scammed. Let's get into it. Number 1. Overcomplicated explanations. One of the biggest signs you're dealing with a scam mechanic is when they start drowning you in a sea of technical jargon. Instead of explaining the problem in simple, clear terms, they throw out complicated phrases like, "Your catalytic converter is experiencing high back pressure due to a failing O." 2. Sensor causing intermittent misfires. What does that even mean? A good mechanic will break it down so anyone can understand something like, your sensor isn't reading correctly, which is making your engine misfire. We can replace it, and your car will run smoothly again. When a mechanic overcomplicates things, it's usually a tactic to make you feel lost and force you to trust them blindly. This is dangerous because it leaves you open to unnecessary repairs or massively inflated prices. According to Consumer Reports, nearly 50% of car owners admit they've been overcharged or tricked into repairs they didn't actually need. That's why it's crucial to push back, ask them to explain in plain English, request a second opinion, or even look up the issue yourself before agreeing to anything. A real expert doesn't need to confuse you. They'll want you to understand what's going on with your own vehicle. Number 2. Unnecessary repairs. One of the easiest ways a scam mechanic can squeeze extra cash out of you is by claiming your car has multiple problems that need to be fixed immediately. You come in for a simple oil change and suddenly they're telling you that your brake pads are dangerously worn, your transmission fluid is dirty, and your timing belt is on its last leg. Sound familiar? The truth is, while cars do need maintenance, not everything needs to be replaced at once. Some dishonest mechanics prey on fear, hoping you'll panic and agree to whatever they suggest without questioning it. In fact, a study by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration found that unnecessary repairs cost Americans billions of dollars every year. That's why you should always ask for proof to see the worn-out parts, get a second opinion, or check your owner's manual for recommended service intervals. Number 3. Inflated prices for simple jobs. A classic scam move is charging outrageous prices for easy, low-effort jobs. You might go in for a basic battery replacement or a simple computer reset, only to find yourself staring at a bill that makes no sense. For example, some shady mechanics will charge $300 plus just to reprogram your car's computer, when in reality, it's just plugging in a scanner and pressing a few buttons, a process that takes less than 10 minutes. In some cases, they'll mark up basic parts by 200 to 300% or charge excessive labor fees for something that should take 30 minutes. According to a study by AAA, nearly 2/3 of Americans feel like they've been overcharged for auto repairs at least once. The best way to avoid this? Do your research. Call around for price comparisons, check what dealerships or reputable shops charge, and don't be afraid to question a quote. If a mechanic refuses to explain why the price is so high or acts offended when you ask, that's a huge red flag. It's your money, and you have the right to know exactly what you're paying for. Number 4. Refuses to show old parts. A mechanic who won't show you the old parts they replaced is waving a massive red flag. Here's why it's one of the easiest ways for scammers to charge you for work they never actually did. You bring your car in for a repair, they hand you a fat bill, but when you ask to see the old part, they suddenly have an excuse. "Oh, we already threw it out," or "it was too damaged to keep." Sounds sketchy? That's because it is. A trustworthy mechanic will have no problem showing you the worn-out part they replaced. In fact, many honest shops will do it automatically. Some shady mechanics, on the other hand, will claim they replaced something when they didn't, or worse, charge you for premium parts and install cheap knockoffs instead. According to the Federal Trade Commission, auto repair fraud is one of the most common consumer complaints, with fake repairs being a major issue. Number 5. Mystery fees on the bill. Ever looked at your repair bill and seen vague charges like shop supplies, miscellaneous fees, or processing costs? These mystery fees are a sneaky way for scam mechanics to pad the bill without you noticing. They might only be $20 to $50 per charge, but when you add them up over time, they can cost you hundreds, even thousands per year. Some shady shops will even add random charges, hoping you won't question them. According to the National Institute for ASC, one of the most common auto repair scams is inflating bills with hidden fees. The solution? Always ask for a detailed breakdown. A good mechanic will be upfront about every charge, while a dishonest one will get defensive or try to brush you off. If you see vague or unexplained fees, challenge them, and some will remove them immediately, just to avoid confrontation. Number 6. Too many cars sitting around. If you pull up to a mechanic's shop and see a parking lot filled with half-repaired cars covered in dust, flat tires, or outdated inspection stickers, that's a huge warning sign. Some mechanics deliberately take on more work than they can handle, using those cars as busy shop bait to make it look like they're in high demand. Others simply drag out repairs for weeks or months, either because they're incompetent, waiting on parts they should have ordered sooner, or worse, taking deposits and never finishing the job. According to Consumer Reports, shops with excessive repair delays are often linked to complaints of poor service, unfinished work, or outright fraud. If a shop can't give you a clear time frame for when your car will be ready, or they keep making excuses for delays, take your business elsewhere. Number 7. Pushy sales tactics. If a mechanic is pressuring you to approve a repair right now, or trying to scare you with the worst case scenarios, that's a major red flag. Dishonest mechanics use fear-based tactics like, if you don't fix this today, your engine could seize up while driving, or your brakes are so bad, you're risking your life every time you hit the road. While some repairs are urgent, a good mechanic will explain the issue and give you options, not try to bully you into making a quick decision. In fact, a survey by AAA found that 41% of drivers feel pressured into unnecessary repairs at some point. These scam tactics work because many people don't know enough about cars to argue back, so they just agree out of fear. The best way to protect yourself: stay calm, ask questions, and get a second opinion.